the 5-step guide for caring for your Dubarry Deck Shoes. Step 1. Use a hose to remove seawater, salt and any dirt. Step 2. Spray Dubarry footwear cleaner all over and scrub with a brush to get a generous lather. Don't be afraid to scrub vigorously to remove any ingrained dirt or residues. Step 3. Rinse off any excess cleaner and lather with clean cold water and allow your shoes to dry naturally for 24 hours. Never use artificial heat or leave near an open fire or radiator. Step 4. Spray Dubarry footwear protector all over, particularly to any suede or nubuck leather, applying several layers and allowing absorption of each layer before applying the next. This step is best done outdoors. Leave your shoes to dry naturally for 2 to 3 hours. Step 5. Apply Dubarry footwear conditioner to the smooth leather only, rubbing in gently with a clean, soft cloth. Pay particular attention to the flex area that bends as you walk. For well-worn shoes, you may also use leather cream as a substitute for footwear conditioner. Special footwear deserves special treatment. Keep your Dubarry shoes in tip-top condition with our dedicated range of maintenance products.